Yeah, peeps. Long time I share nothing, Check this out. Some shrimp and clawfish soup, Yard man sitting. Long time I go now video, so just I give go on a quick thing, you see it? Yeah, man. Top chef in the kitchen, see me. Sorry, I couldn't show how we make this one, but just leave a comment, like and share. And we do it from start for this is almost the ready product right now. We have some okra inside here. We have some clawfish. We have some shrimp. Looking lovely. Check it out. See? Remember to subscribe for more. If you want more video like this, subscribe, leave a comment, like and share. With enough friends. See? That man in the kitchen, man, I do it. See it? Check it out. Check it out. Look good, man. Check it out, peeps. Check it out. Fish and shrimp soup or broth, whatever you want to call it. Yeah, man. Jamaican yardman pot, yardman cooking, Subscribe for more. Follow me on Instagram, Fully Charge Entertainment, we think go. Yeah, man. Top chef, set speed, yeah.